It's the worst drought that we've seen in a long time.
For a lot of people, and tonight, Southwest Florida's largest city taking a big step toward what they're hoping will help solve the water crisis long term. Cape Coral launching a test run to pump water from a reservoir in Punta Gorda. Now, the water will eventually flow into Cape Coral's canal system, which has become dangerously low, all because of the recent drought, and it's where irrigation water comes from. Tonight, 4 in Your Corner's Tony Sadiku live in the studio with a closer look at how this is going to work. Tony?
Patrick, today's the first day of the test run, which once complete could eventually mean lifting the once per week watering restriction. 17 million gallons of water gushing from this pipe could eventually signal relief to what officials are calling a historic drought in Cape Coral.
This could be a 100-year event that we're in right now. It's the worst drought that we've seen in a long time.
The latest move from the city comes as rainfall continues to be a rare commodity in Southwest Florida.
I've never seen the canals, the freshwater canals, as low as they are, and they're really low.
Forcing a once-a-week irrigation restriction for Cape residents.
It's tight time. It's going to be a tough month to get through.
But now, when this pump is powered up, it'll mean more water available for this.
It won't be like a tsunami of water coming down the canals. However, it'll be a slow, gradual improvement in the levels that will help us weather this severe drought that we're in right now.
The water from the reservoir being pumped into drainage ditches along US 41. That water then flowing south into this canal, which then feeds into the freshwater canal system in the North Cape.
We're really excited to have this project underway, and relief is on the way for our canals to start recharging and hopefully recover to the point where we can go back to the 2-day-a-week at some point in the future.
The project only a temporary fix, but may eventually become a permanent supplement of fresh water to Cape Coral. But some residents say they're more looking forward to the rainy season.
We only got about a month to go, and get ready because it's coming.
He's right, it's coming. Pearson also says it's ultimately going to be up to the city manager to decide when it's appropriate to go back to the 2-days-a-week watering schedule. He also says the project won't translate to rate hikes for residents. So that, again, also is good news. Reporting live in the studio, Tony Sadiku, Fox 4 in your corner.